Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I'm going to tell you how to reset your infotainment screen. This tutorial will cover the 2022 through 2024 GMC Sierra 1500s and the 2024 HD 2500 and 3500s. So if for some reason your screen freezes up or whatever happens, you need to reset the screen, this is the button you need to use. And what you're going to do is hold that down. You hold it down for about 10 seconds. I don't know for sure if it's any less than that, but I know 10 seconds is what has been working for me. Even if you hold it down a little longer, it's not a big deal, but you can see what's going to happen here is the screen will go ahead and reset. We'll let it do its thing here real quick, and there you go. You can see that it's now resetting. When it goes black like that, don't worry, it's going to come back on. I'm going to show you this in real time. There we go. We've done it. It's taken care of. So if you needed to know how to do that, how to reset your screen, there's other ways of doing that, one of which is disconnecting the battery terminals and actually touching them together, the two cables together. That's not necessary here. This is much easier, much more effective, and you don't have to even get out of the truck to do it.